Hi, and welcome to this video. Now that I understand how Stealthy Wood's inventory works, I'll go deeper into the process by tracking my products by lots. Lots are batches of the same product. For example, instead of storing my products one by one in my stock, I could package them in lots of 5, or have multiple lot sizes of the same product if it makes sense for my business. To track them, there are lot numbers, which are identification numbers assigned to a particular quantity or lot of material. Using that allows me to trace where a lot comes from, who I've sold it to, how much I still have in stock, and where it is in my warehouse. Tracking will also allow me to know if one of my products or batches is faulty, as I don't want to keep faulty products in stock, or even worse, have them delivered to the customer. Tracking them lets me be on top of the situation as quickly as possible. More than that, it helps me avoid mixing components that don't match for my products with slight differentiations because of dissimilarities between the two variants. With an inventory management system such as Odoo, I can have it under control in record time. So let's see how it works in my Stealthy Wood database. All right, here we are on my database for my company, Stealthy Wood. Now, the first thing I'm going to do is jump into the inventory application and then go directly to configuration settings. From the settings page, I need to enable the option to track by lots or serial numbers. Okay, so I have that option right here underneath the traceability section. I've already activated it, but if you need to, go ahead and do that now and be sure you click on save before moving forward. Now, since I have this activated, I'm going to go ahead and track one of my products by lots. So let's go to master data. We're going to go to products. Okay, I'm going to go to one of my storage units. All right, and I'm going to click on edit. So of course, there are a couple of key things here in order to properly track by lots. Okay, so the first one is that we need to be sure that our product type is storable. All right, of course, we need a storable products to be tracked by lots, unlike consumable or services. Okay, so let's go ahead and be sure we have this selected, and then we'll go to our inventory tab right here, and also be sure that we have by lots selected underneath tracking. Okay, so we can either say we would not like to track, we would like to track by lots, or we want to track by unique serial number. So we can select those options right here, and then save. Now, as you can see, I don't have any products on hand at the moment, so I need to go ahead and purchase some of this product. So let's go ahead to our purchase application and create a new RFQ. So I'm going to add my product, and that's my storage unit. I would like 20 of this product. Okay, I'm going to go to my vendor, which is Azure Interior, and let's go ahead and confirm this order and then receive the products. Now, once we receive the products, we can go ahead and dispatch the initial demand into different lots. And to do that, all we have to do is click on this little list icon right here. Okay, and then we need a lot name. So I'm going to have 00 for the first lot. And that will contain 10. Since I only have one product line specified, which I added to the RFQ, I only have this reserved section for one lot. However, I can manually change that, so it's no problem. All right, we'll have 01, which will contain 5. All right, and 02, which will contain another 5. Okay, so we see these lines in red because we do not have any reserved products for them. However, it's no issue. Once we confirm this, we still see that our total done is the same as the initial demand. If we click on this little list again, we also see that our quantity done is correct. All right, so let's go ahead and validate this. And it validates the lots we have just dispatched the products to as well. So we can see that from our traceability report right here in the right corner. Okay, so we see our 3 lots, and we also see the quantity that are in each one. So we know that these lots are correct, and they're also now in our inventory. So let's go ahead and create a sales order and purchase this product and see what happens when we go through the whole flow. All right, so we'll go into our sales application, create. Okay, let's choose a customer. I'm going to select Nicole Ford, all right? And she would like to purchase the storage unit, of course, and she would like 15 of this item. Now, as we just saw, I have one lot that contains 10 of this item, and then I have 2 lots that contain 5. So, of course, I will need to deliver using 2 different lots. So let's go ahead and confirm the sales order and then check out what that looks like when we go to the delivery order. So I'm going to select the delivery right here. Okay, and then once we're on our delivery order, I see that they're automatically reserved. So I can check which lots are reserved by clicking on this little list right here. Okay, so I have my lot 00 and 01. Okay, so I have the full quantity here, but perhaps I know that in my lot 01, I have some faulty items. So I don't want to use this lot at all. I can manually change this. Okay, so I'm going to go to edit and then click on the list view again and then change this lot from 01, and I'm going to select 02 instead. Okay, and I know that that lot has 5 items as well, so there's no issue here, and I'm going to go ahead and confirm this. All right, so let's go ahead and save and validate this and complete the whole flow. But note that if you don't have any products reserved, or perhaps you don't have a lot selected for a certain amount of products, you won't be able to proceed with the delivery. So be sure you have your lots specified as well as your quantities reserved. All right, so let's go ahead and validate. Okay, I'm going to apply my reserved quantities as the done quantity, and then we complete the whole flow. And then let's check out our traceability report. Okay, and as we can see here, I have my lot 00 and my lot 02, which I manually changed. Originally, I had 00 and 01, but I know that I have faulty products in the lot 01, so I went ahead and changed that. And we have all of that information right here. All right, so it's super simple. And we can even go to our inventory application, master data, lots and serial numbers, and check out all of our products, which we track by either lot or serial number. So let's go to our product storage unit. Okay, and let's look at all of the lots we have. So we can check out all of the moves. So I just used lot 00. So let's go ahead and select this one. All right, and of course, I don't have any quantity left in this lot, which is expected. And I can even see what has happened with this lot. Okay, so I can go to my traceability report and see all of the moves. So I see when I received the products, when I sold the products as well. Okay, I can even locate this lot. All right, so it went from the partner location to my stock to my customer. All right, so we see that right there, super easy. We even have our purchase order and our sales order as well. So we have all the information we could possibly need right here. It's super simple, and all that you can do with Odoo. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching.